Your stomach is growling right now. Do you know why? It's not because you're hungry all the time. The growling sound is actually your stomach muscles contracting and relaxing. This process helps mix food with digestive juices. When your stomach is empty, the muscles contract more often. This creates a vacuum-like effect that produces the growling sound. It's a natural process that occurs every 90 seconds or so. So, next time you hear your stomach growling, just know it's doing its job. Follow us for more curious facts.